Well, good afternoon. Markets just now closed. Agricultural markets were down in the grain and the cotton, but it was a relatively quiet day today. Cotton, although it closed down, was probably at the highest level it had been at since maybe 7 or 8 o'clock this morning. Closing down 25 at 76.92, a high of 77.50, a low of 76.55. Now, what I'll say about cotton, I'll say about grains, and that is each day the wind seems to blow in a different direction. It is down. It was down yesterday in both of them, but the market is, I think, trying to get its legs under it right now, and that could go through a process, could take a couple of weeks of trading up and down. You might see 2 days down, you might see 2 days up. We think in time we'll find support down here. It's just it requires patience because people want to know what's going on. What's the news? What's happening? There's really not any news right now. The market seems to react more to slight movements and looking at the stock markets, looking at the dollar, hearing what's coming out of Washington, the latest on trade, and all that is going to probably continue to keep cotton trading between, let's just say, 75 or 76 to the downside, 79 to 80 to the upside. Look, there's news here that can take it outside that range. But for right now, it just seems to be it's satisfied staying there. So try to be patient because this market will wear you out if you look at it too closely. It's just a sideways market trying to find some level of support, and that takes a little while. Looking at the corn market down 2 at 364 3/4, a high of 368, a low of 364 1/4. Wheat down 7.5 at 499 3/4, a high of 507.5, a low of 497. I hope I gave you the beans. Down 5.5 at 847.5, a high of 855, a low of 845 3/4. Crude oil had a pretty big move down $1. It's been very volatile also in recent weeks, but moving down. We've got the dollar up 42, gold down $3 an ounce, silver up 2 cents an ounce. And the Dow Jones at this moment is up 143, but who knows, 5 minutes from now it could be 100 points lower than this. That's it. Wish I could be more informative, but that's the market that we're dealing with today. So have a good evening. We'll talk to you tomorrow.